All right. A little snowy out here. Slacked up. I've been out here earlier, screwing around. Truck. First of all, so it's 8 Celsius. And if you know what that is, you know what that is. It's in my truck. Which I'll show it to you while it's warming up. That's low 30s today. It's supposed to be like really cold the next couple days. So hopefully in this video I might be able to actually show some of that too. So I took it off of this and put it on this. You know, it takes a sec for it to fire off. It works really good, even going down the road. See, I extended the exhaust. I don't know what makes so much racket. The rattliness. Might have something a little loose, I ain't sure. Of course, that could just be just it bursting off. It is running off of kerosene, diesel. Nice thing is, the truck ain't running. Truck ain't running. And the heat blows down here. These still function, so I can put it in the floor where it's at now, or I can flip it over here, and the air comes out up here. I tend to keep it on the floor though. Now while it's doing it, figure out which key it goes. Now it has been run. I had the truck running earlier. I tried to go to town in the truck, but the roads are too icy. Slip sliding everywhere. But put a cup holder in. Still great oil pressure. Do the temperature. That's a gas gauge for the kerosene tank back here in the back. Which kerosene tank. But you remember back when when this was the Hemi truck, the fuel cell that was in the back of it, the aluminum fuel cell, That's the kerosene tank. But I'll be right back as soon as this thing warms up some. All right, back again. (21 Celsius). It's been maybe 10 minutes. You know, I told you, and that's not estimated temperature. Actually, it's turning to 22 now. But see, this has got a little temperature sensor, so that's the temperature that this thing is detecting. So, you know, pretty nice. And it hasn't been long. I think I smoked a cup, maybe 2 cigarettes, maybe, in that time frame, just sitting here. But I got dual batteries on this thing. Don't need dual batteries, but I got dual batteries. Got the diesel heater, got the tank. That tank holds like 15 or 18 gallon, I think. I can't remember. So way more fuel than I need if I got stuck somewhere for 24 hours or more. And dual batteries, shoot, one battery would go easily do me 24 hours. So 2 batteries, I got time. You know, and the really nice thing is, if this thing motor blew up, ran out of gas, you know, got crammed up into a snowbank somewheres, you know, whatever, you know, bench seat, dog, you know, I could curl up in here. I could sleep in here if I had to. And I could stay toasty warm. So, because honestly, right now, I'm toasty warm. I've had it up where it's gotten to 30 Celsius or better. So, you know, and it doesn't take long to do it either. It takes, from firing that up to it being warm in here. I mean, actual feeling warm in here, not just, you know, it's producing heat, but actually feeling warm in here. It takes about the same amount of time as the old heater system that was in here. So, you know, start the engine gets warm and all that. In that same amount of time that it starts blowing warm air out on your regular gas setup, it's already getting warm in here. You know, so, and it ain't like we're the most sealed. Let's see, can I show down there? Well, there's a little bit of light, but there's holes in this damn thing. You know, it ain't the most sealed up truck. And, you know, there ain't no fumes coming in the truck or anything. All the exhaust fumes go out underneath the truck bed, back there. And I'm going to probably make that actually longer. Not because I have to, just because, you know, why not? It doesn't take much effort to take a little bit of conduit and make it a little bit longer. But just in the time we've been talking, 24 now. Yeah, so it don't take no time to get it warm in here. And it's not noisy. Even outside, it don't smell. Well, you know, dual battery. It sets its air up there. And it blows it into the cab. Now I could actually hook that up where it would suck the air out of the cab and then blow it back in. That wouldn't be a bad thing. I just didn't want to chop up the truck too much. Right now, the only thing I have to do is take that panel off, take, I think, 3 or 4 screws out of a piece of metal that's over the heater core in there, hook the heater core back up, put a blower motor back there, and technically the heater's functional again. So I literally could put this back if I want. I don't know why I would want to. That works really good. but you know, the truck is more together. It's tagged, insured. I've drove it here or there. Actual 72 Tennessee for my area tag. Threw some wheels back here to try to get some traction. Road don't look like much, but it's icy. And in a day or two, it's supposed to get like 2 degrees. So either in this video or maybe in the next, I may come out here and see if I can crank it and all that fun stuff for the video. All right.